this is Kay from SPRSUN Heat Pump. Today I'm going to introduce our new DC inverter swimming pool heat pump, a high-end, high-performance, durable and energy-efficient range of pool heat pumps that are proudly made in SPRSUN, China. They are designed for swimming pool heating at the lowest ambient temperature -15 degrees. There are 6 models for this series. The max heating capacity is from 4.5 kW to 16 kW, and the max cooling capacity is from 2.5 kW to 8.8 kW. They are suitable for both R32 and R4108 refrigerants. R32 has a low global warming potential that's much lower than most other refrigerants. Let's start off by discussing heat pump performance. The coefficient of performance, or we call it COP, is an important aspect to consider when buying a heat pump. As SPRSUN new DC inverter swimming pool heat pump, all units have an independently tested COP over 7.4. This means for each kilowatt consume 7.4 kilowatt of heat going to the pool, and the max COP is 16.3 kilowatts. That's much way above the industry standard. We are now going to talk about the components that make SPRSUN heat pump unique. All the key components of SPRSUN heat pump are from the leading suppliers, so that we can make sure the high quality and long lifetime of the heat pumps. For example, SPRSUN uses Panasonic compressors that are well known for their reliability and efficiency. They also have high-quality refrigerant filter driver to protect the compressor and refrigerant circuits. The intelligent touchscreen controller has the Wi-Fi remote function, so users can use their smartphones to monitor and control the working situation of their inverter pool heat pumps at any time and anywhere. Many people are quite concerned about the noise issue. To tackle this issue, we have taken many measurements by adopting Panasonic inverter compressor and brushless DC fan motor. SPRSUN DC inverter swimming pool heat pump stay peaceful when heating or cooling your pool water. It can run 40 decibels at 1 meter due to its internal noise reduction measures. They provide great silence in your swimming environment, more than 10 decibels lower than traditional domestic pool heat pumps. Today my presentation to SPRSUN new DC inverter swimming pool heat pump. While to hear any more information and detailed requirements, please contact with us. Thank you.